Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. We will learn how to rotate a diagram in Draw.io. Rotating diagrams can help adjust the layout and orientation for better visualization and presentation. First, open your diagram in Draw.io and click to select the shape, object, or diagram element that you want to rotate. Let's say I want to rotate this particular shape. Just click on the desired shape, and you will see a small circular handle appear near the selected object. Click on it, rotate it to your liking, and then release the mouse. Your diagram will be rotated. Alternatively, you can go to the settings on the right side and open the Arrange tab. From here, you'll see an option called Angle. The diagram will be rotated successfully, and that settings it. We just learned how to rotate a shape or an entire diagram in Draw.io using both the drag handle and the rotation field. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.